Hello guys, we built this whole castle from scratch. Let me see. Whoa, it's amazing. Damn. See? I really do like this. Do you like it?
Yeah,
Wow, you did it all by yourself?
yeah.
Wow, see kids? We can do this. What's the name of this castle? Paz. Oh, it's the three. Oh, yeah. Three
Puzzle 3D.
Puzzle 3D. So look at that and look at that. Does it look alike? Look at that and look at that. Does it look alike? Does it?
It's same.
It's same. Paz 3D. Wow. Have you done this before? Go.
Yeah, my dad at my aunt's house.
Wow. Man. Oh, this is amazing, honey. So guys, she built this way from scratch. It's called Paz 3D, the fully dimensional puzzle 3D. She started from scratch doing that puzzle. Like, whoa, like seriously, how did you do that? How did you do that? You copied from this? Oh, so you can create different puzzles from that. Okay guys, if you want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be bringing in more games and more fun and more color and painting for the kids. I love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Yeah, so